Today we'll be discussing JK Jeep Wrangler proper and improper wire leak testing and diagnosing methods. Prior to applying proper wire leak testing and diagnosing methods, position the vehicle according to the customer's symptom condition. This can include incline, decline, and the level position of the vehicle. Improper wire leak testing and diagnosing methods include using a pressure washer or high pressure nozzle on an isolated area of the vehicle. This will create a wire leak and have to root cause and potentially fix another area of the vehicle that was not originally the customer's complaint and/or condition. Proper wire leak testing and diagnosing methods include suspending a water hose over the vehicle with a shower head type attachment. This will allow the water to naturally flow in the leak path of the vehicle. When wire leak diagnosing with one shower head attachment, isolate to the area of concern. By allowing it to flow for 20-minute duration, you'll be able to root cause the customer complaint and/or condition. Potential leak paths include, but are not limited to, water leaking on the right front floor, water on the instrument panel, water leaking on the door panel, water leaking at the A-pillar and the IP, B-pillar roll bar, and leaking through the screw holes on the freedom panel. With the proper wire leak diagnosing methods identified, we will discuss repair methods for water dripping across the front door sill and/or damp floor. Use the search function in Tech Connect to locate the appropriate bulletin. Tools that may be required to repair this condition include diagonal cutters, stuffer A-pillar door seal, Mopar Bondol, or door A-pillar foam, and butyl tape. Prior to removing the door check strap and wiring harness, sufficiently protect the cowl area as shown to prevent damage that could occur from the side view mirror. Following the proper wire leak diagnosing methods, you'll be able to determine the potential root cause, which could include seam sealer skip at the lower weather strip channel to door shell, antenna grommet incorrectly seated, A-pillar door seal stuffer, door foam patch to upper weather strip channel gap. The cut location of the lower door seal is adjacent to the lower fastener on the door panel, as shown. Next, we will be discussing the lower door seal notch process. Remove the lower portion of the front door weather strip to create an accessible area to notch the seal. Be careful when notching the door seal so that the inside wall of the bulb is not damaged when cutting the outer. Using diagonal cutters, cut 5/8 inch 16 mm wide and 1/4 inch 6 mm deep area on the outer side of the seal. Next, we will identify seam sealer skips between the weather strip channel and the door shell. Inspect for seam sealer skips along the inboard door weather strip channel. Seal any skips with Kent High-Tech Clear Seam Sealer and/or equivalent. Next, we'll be discussing antenna grommet being fully seated. Inspect the grommet from inside the vehicle to ensure it's fully seated. Next, we'll be discussing the door A-pillar foam to weather strip channel gap. Remove the check strap and door wiring harness to fully open the door, which will allow you to access the door A-pillar foam. Remove the upper weather strip seal to gain access to the A-pillar foam patch at the upper weather strip channel. If any gaps are found between the weather strip channel and the foam patch, remove the patch and clean the surface with isopropyl alcohol. Wipe the door surface with adhesion promoter, and once flashed, insert the new foam, ensuring it is tight against the upper door weather strip channel. Now install approximately 1 inch of butyl to the upper door weather strip channel. With the upper door weather strip still removed, access the A-pillar door stuffer located above. Cut the A-pillar stuffer at the relief point shown. Pull out the existing stuffer that goes down the A-pillar side. Insert the new stuffer into the weather strip where the existing stuffer was removed. To ease installation, lubricate stuffer with soapy water. Clean the ends of the new and existing stuffer with isopropyl alcohol. Bond the new and existing stuffer surfaces with Mopar Bondol and make sure there is no gap between the stuffers. In some cases, an additional 4 inch 100 mm length of stuffer may be required to eliminate this condition. This can be accomplished by ordering an additional stuffer and cutting it in half. We have discussed the root causes and repairs associated with water dripping across the front door sill and damp front floor. Please use the search function in Tech Connect to identify other wire leak concerns. Thank you for your time and have a great day.